You're in a quiet meeting, or maybe a packed library. That familiar tickle star S in your nose. You feel it building. The inevitable sneeze. What's your first instinct? To hold it in, right? To avoid drawing attention. Well, listen up, because that small, polite gesture could have some surprisingly severe consequences. When you forcefully pinch your nose and close your mouth, you're not stopping the sneeze. You're just redirecting the immense pressure it generates. This pressure, up to 100 miles per hour, has to go somewhere. It can travel up your eustachian tubes, potentially rupturing your eardrums. Or, even more alarmingly, damage blood vessels in your nose or eyes. In rare, extreme cases, this redirected pressure can even rupture a blood vessel in your brain or tear your throat. Yes, a throat tear from holding a sneeze. So next time that tickle starts, find a tissue, turn away, and let it out. It's far safer than the alternative. You've been warned.